welcome back. If it's your first time visiting, we hope you enjoy the content, and please take the time to click that subscribe button.
Today we're at a place that's close to our hearts, somewhere we like to visit every season of the year and have so many great memories. Thornton Woods in Northumberland. This enchanting woodland overlooks the Cheviot Hills and is home to hidden trails with spectacular viewpoints.
There's various sections and trails available at this Forestry England site, and today we picked one of the best. We begin at the south section, taking a side lane off the A697 and parking in a small lay-by opposite the gate. From here we pick up the track to Long and Coal Crag, and the path is well defined and easy to follow. Welcome back, guys. Today we're in Northumberland, Thornton Woods. So we're just up at the top section. Tell you what, it's a bit chilly today. The wind's up. You can feel the cold coming in. There's a Nordic blast coming over apparently, so next week we're going to be expecting some snow. So it's such a shame because we've been coming here for years now. You see over here, all those trees that are being felled, that was from Storm Arwen. So this used to be absolutely beautiful. But this section, you were kind of deep in amongst the trees. And now it's just like a barren landscape. What we're doing?
Having a fight in the cave.
Having a fight with the cave, Ollie. So like I say, we're on our way up to this top section. Over in the distance behind us there, that's kind of the mid to bottom section. It's where a lot of bikers go. There's a cave down there. I'll show you on the footage, McCartney's Cave. It's not much of a cave, it's just like a little bit of a hole in the wall. So here we have it, guys. McCartney's Cave. Have a little look inside. Not much of a cave, to be fair, it only literally goes into the rock.
The handmade cave was a solitary retreat of McCartney, a 19th century monk from nearby Cowley.
It's pretty high when you're up here.
Dad?
Yeah?
Why is it only like this?
How far in does it go?
Cool, Dad. That's cool.
Come across some fly agaric mushrooms or toadstools. Very red, white spots on. Like something from some Marley Brothers. So hopefully we might see something on the way up here. Yeah, like I said, with all these trees are being felled. It's such a shame because it used to really be like you could literally just step in here. It'd be absolutely pitch black. Over that section, over there, it's a bit better. Wasn't as many trees cut down. It's great for wild camping up there as well. So today, when we get up on the top, on the crags or Long Crag, it's like a little bit of an overhang or a little fire block. We're going to have a little fire, warm ourselves up. Obviously we'll make sure we put it out properly before we leave. Go look at wherever there's water, build fight. Just like a nice crack that. Feels a bit like Christmas vacation, look at Griswold's coming up to get the family Christmas tree. Should have bought a mini chainsaw. And it'll be just my luck I get it home and there's a squirrel in it. To be honest with you, last year and the year before, I got a real Christmas tree for the kitchen. It won't be nice when we're having our Christmas dinner to have a real tree in there, but 70 quid I think we paid last year. This time, to be honest with you, bring a little portable chainsaw. Yes. This there used to be a little firing range. You just make out the rock. It used to be like the backstop. Leading up to there, you used to have various platforms which indicated different distances where we used to fire from. So we're about halfway up now. Just in the distance there, I found it.
There it is.
Soquel family Christmas tree. If we're lucky, we might actually get to see a sunset up the top of here. Now, last weekend when Butchie Boys was here, Butchie Boy Adventures, Lee and Mel were up here on the bikes and got near the tops, and the weather wasn't great for them, bless them, but I think we might be lucky this week. See the sun over there in the distance starting to set. we're going to turn right, get to this little T-junction here in the track. The track kind of finishes, turns into Lake Crossley, with a bit of heather and whatnot. Leading the way. Can you remember which way to go? Seen any mushrooms yet? Me neither. We'll call the mushrooms in there. I haven't got any fly agaric ones.
I think there's a few there.
There we go, look at this is better. In amongst the forest now. Those ferns before just completely died out, but really orange. I remember a few years back, just up past this spot, I found a fly agaric mushroom and it had a toad sat on the top of it. Couldn't believe it. Oh, I've actually spotted one. There's one just in here, look. There we go, look. Just a little one, but see it? There'll be some more up here. Here we go, look. I'll give you a look at how dark it is in these woods. See if they come up and pick it up. Look at that. Class, man. Here we go, there's a little one, look. Found two. You found another one? That's a pretty one, isn't it?
Yeah, Mom, look at it.
What have you got?
Look
A pigeon egg. Yeah. Must have come from that tree, do you reckon? Good pigeon. Right, we're back on the track. And we're almost at the top at Long Crag. It's going to be windy up here though, we're going to have a shelter at the moment, but I can hear the wind going through the trees, so I tell you what, 100% good idea sticking my wellies on today, like, because the state of this. I definitely recommend wearing wellies, folks, if you're coming up here. Look at all this, man. Absolutely perfect for wild camping. Here he comes with his bottle of Prime. Here we are, we've hit the top. We're going to go right, follow it along to the crags now. The crags are really cool. There's one of the rocks, looks like an eagle's beak. Hopefully it's not too windy at the top here, and you can hear us and we'll get some decent footage. Just make out the first little cairn there in the distance. And I tell you what, when you get up the top of here and have a look over the other side, you'd actually think you were in Canada. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous views from the top. You can see these views at the other side. Almost there. Wow, look at those. One big forest. So we're going to head down there now. Little kind of alcove, a little shelter just down here. We're going to sit in there, get a bit of shelter, and just have a little fire. Take us around and show us what. This little track here. Feel that wind's died down now, got a bit of shelter, look. The only thing you got to watch is a couple of big drops. Here we are here, look at this little alcove. We're just sitting here. have a little bite to eat. Have a little fire in here, look at that. Look at that view from it. You love it. You're warming up.
Next time we'll bring some back.
Must be again.
Mischievous hobgoblins are fabled to dwell here and play tricks on passers-by, and you can walk Stony Gully of Hobsnick, named after impish hobgoblins.
Oh, still nice and snug in that little alcove. Look at. That's the eagle's head I was telling you about. Go and sit up on that in a second. As the sun began to set in the west, we managed to get the drone up to capture the magnificent landscape.
From this vantage point, you have an amazing view of the entire Northumberland landscape, with the Cheviots to the north and the coastline to the east.
Well, we certainly got what we wanted, the perfect sunset to end a lovely hike with a backdrop to die for. Right, we'll get this fire put out. I don't know if you can make that moon out very well on the video, but I think it's the last super moon of the year. Bigger. Swing around now. The sun's almost gone behind the hills. See the silhouette of the Cheviots over there.
As always, thanks for watching, and please take the time to like, comment and subscribe.